Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to uninstall Discord from your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your laptop settings. Now here you'll find apps, press on it. Now here you can see installed apps. Go for it. Now here you have to search for Discord. Now scroll down. Here you can see Discord. Now you have to go to these three dots. Press on it. Here you'll find the option of uninstall. If you want to uninstall your Discord, you have to press on it. That's it. So this is how you can uninstall Discord from your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.